Tropical storm Melissa is crawling in the Caribbean. Here's why that could be a very bad thing for Jamaica.
Melissa is moving about 2 miles per hour, which is about the pace I'm walking right now, which is fine for a leisurely stroll, but for a storm and its impacts could be catastrophic. Melissa is moving over the warmest waters in the Atlantic, and it's predicted to spend the next few days soaking up all that energy while it passes very close to Jamaica. The result? Forecasts call for Melissa to strengthen to even Category 4 or 5 status. That means a storm with 150 mile per hour winds right on the doorstep of Jamaica. But as bad as that could be, Melissa's snail-like pace combined with the tall mountains of Jamaica will allow rainfall to pile up to epic proportions, measured in feet, not inches, and likely to cause devastating mudslides. Slow-moving storms dumping astronomical amounts of rain are consequences of a warming ocean and planet. It's something we have seen more of in recent years. Think Hurricane Harvey in Texas or Hurricane Dorian in the Bahamas.
Hello everyone, I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Rachel Bryers. Tomorrow is an ABC 13 weather alert day. We're going to be expecting a line of showers and storms to roll in as we head into the overnight period as well as into the early morning hours on Saturday. Now during the day on Saturday, we actually bring down that chance of rain a bit with scattered showers and storms in the forecast instead of widespread showers and storms. Then as we head into the evening, that's when we could see another line roll through southeast Texas. Now the problem with these storms is some of them could be strong to severe. The main threats we're going to be watching for is the potential of street flooding and damaging wind gusts. But in addition to that, we also have a low-end threat of large hail and also isolated tornadoes. And we'll continue to bring you the latest wherever you stream ABC 13.
Jordan, let's go, man, please! Please, Jordan, let's go, man!
We're moving.
Now!
Go.
Now!
Go.
Oh, Jordan!
It's moving.
Jordan,
Go.
go.
Moving left to right.
Let's just go, Jordan, please, man!
Go.
Jordan, let's just go!
We got it. Go.
Jordan, let's go, man!
Look at that. That is a very, oh boy, horizontal rolls. Just look at it, buddy. We're good. We're about to move. We're moving here. Hold on. All right.
Okay, let's go. Let's drive. Please.
Go.
Let's just drive, man.
Just
Jordan,
trust me.
please.
We got about 10 more. Shoot that.
Jordan,
Sierra.
just drive.
Zoom
man.
in on that,
Jordan,
Sierra.
drive. Jordan, drive. Come on.
Go.
Jordan, let's go.
Be quiet for 10 seconds.
Jordan, let's go, man, please! Jordan, let's go, man!
We're moving.
Now!
Go.
Now! Oh, Jordan!
It's moving.
Jordan,
It's moving left to right.
Let's just go, Jordan, please, man!
Go.
Jordan, let's just go!
We got it. Go.
Jordan, let's go, man! Oh, fuck, sorry, I can't handle it.
Isaiah 28:2, Behold, Yahawah hath a mighty and strong one, which as a tempest of hail and a destroying storm, as a flood of mighty waters overflowing, shall cast down to the earth with the hand. Shalom. And y'all can check out Nahum 1:3. Yahawah is slow to anger and great in power and will not at all acquit the wicked. Yahawah hath his way in the whirlwind and in the storm, and the clouds are the dust of his feet. Aman Shalom. Yeah, man. Most High is going to tear these places up, and I can't wait till you get them harlot houses, them churches, as it says in Jeremiah 5:7. And with that, I say Shalom. Nahum 1 and 3. Yahawah is slow to anger and great in power, and will not at all acquit the wicked. Yahawah hath his way in the whirlwind, and in the storm the clouds are the dust of his feet. Shalom. Yes, the Most High bring that storm. All praise to Yahawah by H.I.S. Yahawahshi. And for the rest of the week, all praise Yahawah.
This is it. Come on, Cubby. Come on. Come on, downstairs. Basement. Basement, let's go. Come on. Come on, Cubby. Get out of there. Stay, stay. Holy shit. Holy shit. Stay, stay, Cubby. Holy fuck. Here, Cubby. Holy shit. Holy. Stay, Cubby. Stay. No, no. Get upstairs. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Oh my God. Holy shit.
Mom, open the door! Please let me in! Mom, I'm trying! Hurry! It's right. Oh God! No, no, no! Ah!